for watching the video and for receiving your starter kit. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you were able to maybe pull some wellness gems out of it. Hello, I'm Sheila Z. Sterling, and in today's world, we all want to get things really fast. It's like an instant gratification world today. But for those who have some challenges, either digestive challenges, everything from blood sugar issues to cardiovascular issues, we know that it takes a little bit of time and expertise. Can you do this alone? Maybe. It's been our experience, though, when you're doing it with a group, with a small group of people, your chances and your ability to have full success are just like 110%. And that's what the 8-week program is. It's a very integrative program where you have full access, not only to me, but there are 8 modules. Every week we have a new module. You have access to me 24/7. And together we slowly, but not that slowly, because 8 weeks isn't that long. But what happens is that we get the body into homeostasis. And what that means is when the body is in balance, it's going to be able to heal itself. And that's what we want. Not only to feel better and look younger, but to resolve a lot of issues that we might be experiencing right now. So if you'd like, click below and look at some testimonies, click around. And if you're ready to start your 8-week program, there's also another link for that. So thank you again, and I hope you enjoyed the starter kit, and I look forward to our connection.